Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to add an app back to home screen on iPhone. Firstly, swipe left to the home screen until you reach the app library, which is the page beyond your last home screen. Tap on the search bar at the top of the app library, then type the app's name. When the app appears, press and hold the app icon. Select Add to Home Screen from the menu that appears. If the Add to Home Screen option is not visible, the app may already be on your home screen but could be inside a folder. To move it, press and drag the app icon from the app library directly onto your home screen. If you can't find the app in the app library, it means it's not installed on your device. Just open the App Store, search for the app, and tap the download button to reinstall it. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.